Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. In today's video, let me show you how you can make a chart in Excel. First, open the Excel app in your PC or laptop. Next, click the blank document. Now just put your data in the cells. After making a data, select the data by clicking, holding, and dragging. Then go to the top of Excel and click on Insert. Next, go to the Chart section and choose the type of chart you'd like. You can hover your mouse over the options to preview how they look. Click on your chosen chart, and it will be added. And that's it. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.